everyone, welcome to a new Python video, and today I'll be talking about the if, then, else command. So what the if command does is it checks something, so it says if this equals this, then you do this, but if it doesn't equal this, then you do this. So it's called if, then, else. Python, that's not how you write it though. So let's say x is equal to 1. So in Python you type in if x is equal to 1. And then you have to put a colon after it. Why do you need to put two equal signs? That's just how it is. If you put one equal sign inside of an if command, it won't work. It has to be two. Also, what you can do is you could do less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. You can do not equal to with the exclamation point. You can do a lot of other things. So if you press enter, it should automatically have an indent. If it doesn't, make sure you put the semicolon. The colon. So now, if x equals 1. Now inside of here, you put what it does if x equals 1. If x does not equal 1, then it'll just skip that part of code. But we know x equals 1, so it'll do what's inside of here. So let's say print x equals 1 exclamation point. And here's something else command. The else command, you just type in else. So if this if command is not true, then it will move on to the else command. You don't have to put this. You can just put the if statement, but you can put the else command if you want to. So, and then we can print x does not equal 1. So if x equals 1, it prints x equals 1. If it's anything else, print x does not equal 1. And we know x equals 1, so x equals 1 as we see. Now what if x equals 4? Let's see. It prints x does not equal 1 because that's in the else statement. Now here's something else, it's a little bit more advanced. It's called Elif. And then it's kind of like an if statement, but it's not the original if statement. It's like if that one is false, then it moves on to this one. And if this one's false, then it moves on to the next one, the next one, and the next one. You can put as many elif statements as you want in one if command. So what happens if this is false? It'll move to the elif command, and then it'll move to the else command. So let's make the elif x equals 4. Then we put print x equals 4 exclamation points. Now let's see what happens here. X equals 4. Okay, that's good. It worked. Remember, you can put as many elif statements as you want. And remember, the if statement automatically indents, but once you're done with what you want it to do after the if statement, you have to unindent, or else it will keep staying in the if statement, and it won't go outside of the if statement. So if I go here and accidentally put my elif statement, if I accidentally put my else statement inside of the if by hitting the tab button, it doesn't work because it needs to be unindented. Now it works. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time in my next video.